All right, guys, 2016 Ford Expedition XLT EcoBoost. This is what it sounds like before. As you guys can see, you can't even hear it. Gotta let those twin turbos breathe. Hey, it's quiet. Here's sound decibels on it. It's sad when my voice is louder than it. Look, 90. Right at 81. So we're gonna take it all off and replace it with a FLOWMASTer DBX 125-14310. That's what it looks like. And what's special about the DBX is the cone shape. Look at that. You see it, guys? It's on both sides. It's heavy. As you guys can see, it's a cone, and it's supposed to dissipate all the drone and just give it a nice, clean, deep sound. So there it is. It's a circular muffler too. See that technology? All right, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it after we're done with it. So this is the plan, guys. Okay, this is the EcoBoost Expedition, so you guys know what we're gonna do. So we're gonna take this resonator. He hates the look of this resonator, just floating. Basically, like it's not really supposed to be there. It's an added one because it's an EcoBoost, so they had to add it somewhere. So we're gonna take this resonator and put it in the place of this muffler, because we're gonna take this muffler off. We're gonna replace it with this one, and then put the resonator behind it, which is that one, and then connect it to the tailpipe, and then cut the tailpipe right here at an angle, and connect a new hanger to it. Take this plastic cover off, so it's nice and clean with the line of the car, where when you look from the back of the car, you don't see anything. It's nice and clean. You just see the back of the car. No more floating resonator. I know that's a lot to consume, but stay tuned and we'll show you what we're talking about. All right, guys, 2016 Ford Expedition EcoBoost. What we got done on it, so we showed you the before videos on it, of how the original setup was, but here it is now after we're done with it. So stock converter right there, Y's into a single, let me get it from this angle there, flex pipe. Then we installed the FLOWMASTer DBX muffler, part number right there, 125-143-10. There will be a link in the description right there. Then we took his original resonator that was floating right there, took it off and moved it over here to even deepen the sound a little bit more. Then 3-inch tailpipe out the back, and then he wanted it dumped and hidden, so we just dumped it down, cut it back, and dumped it where you won't see it when the vehicle's dropped down on the ground. As you guys can see, now it's clean, uniform on both sides. And then we took this little plastic piece off. There's the muffler that was on it right there. Stay tuned, we're gonna let you guys hear it, and like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, keeping the resonator is perfect. Beautiful. Yeah, it's perfect. It does have a little bit of tone, but nothing crazy. It's clean. Yeah, it's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Right at 80, which is perfect. Again? Go ahead and back it out quick. Sounds really clean, quiet. It's got a deep, deep tone to it. I like it. Do you approve? He approves. Let me let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Expedition EcoBoost with FLOWMASTer DBX and resonator. Okay. That's really quiet. I don't know. I'm confused. I guess. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're gonna come. Let's go, beast mode. He redeemed himself. Okay.